Number 11. What kind of animal is this? Tree frog, an amphibian that lives in trees. Number 12. What kind of animal is this? Tiger shark, a large shark with a striped pattern. Number 13. What kind of animal is this? Taking, a stocky goat antelope from the Himalayas. Number 14. What kind of animal is this? Tsetse fly, an African biting fly that spreads disease. Number 15. What kind of animal is this? Trumpeter swan, North America's largest waterfowl.